One of the issues you will suffer, one of the absolute certainties that is going to happen to you is not only death, but is also taxation, that well-worn phrase, death and taxes. And one of the taxes, the only tax in fact that I'm going to refer to is inheritance tax. So what is it? It's a tax you pay on your estate. How much is it? It's 40%. So there are ways in which we can mitigate it. That's the advice I give my mum. Because you can completely avoid inheritance tax by spending your money. You are allowed through legislation to make certain gifts out of normal expenditure. So we are all able to make a gift of £3,000 every tax year. In addition to that, we can make what's called small gifts. So 3,000 is just an annual exemption. Small gifts, and you can make as many of these as you wish to, £250. You can then, if you have friends or family that are going through either a wedding or a civil partnership, you can make a certain amount. It doesn't tell you how much that is. The next area that I just wish to touch on is nil rate band planning. And for the current year, current tax year, it's 325,000. It's been frozen at that since 2009, as I've mentioned. Anything over that, and it is only the amount over it, you can give money away. The problem with giving money away is potentially you're losing control. You might want to protect it for a little bit, and that's where a trust comes into play. Trusts are used in inheritance tax articles as a way of mitigating inheritance tax. So in summary, all of the exemptions and reliefs that you have at your fingertips are there for you. You just spend the money is probably the easiest way to enjoy your wealth. The nil rate band is probably the most underused facility in the UK. And there are various investment schemes that are available to you, many of which are only available via professional services, which can help, again, mitigate.